I'm just going to give you a quick run through my proposal for game. The idea really is to try to teach people how to program in a fun way, and to turn programming into a game. And what you have to do basically is you upload a little program into it, and then the robot has to kind of navigate the 2D level based on the program it's given, and you get a score at the end of each level, and you progress from one level to the other. And the idea is try to give people a kind of flavor for what programming is like. You've turned programming into a game to give them some exposure as to what it might be like to program something themselves. So anyway, to get stuck into the actual details, programs would ideally be written in some sort of visual editor that would be kind of translated into some sort of intermediate program. Program gets loaded into the little robot, and he navigates the level, and then you get to see what happens in real time. So I'll just give you kind of a quick demo of what that looks like. And on our right here you can see that the program that's been loaded in, and it's actually kind of running in real time here. I've kind of put a couple of weights in there so you can actually see what's happening. It's kind of just running along, jumping, running along, jumping, and the goal is to get to the end of the blue square. And it's a very simple level, but you kind of get the idea. On the right we can see a visual representation of the program. It flows very simply from top to bottom, and unless there are some statements like the go-to statement at the very bottom, it just runs the instructions and then just sort of doesn't do anything else from there. There are some instructions like start moving right or start moving left that when triggered will just sort of keep the robot moving left or right, and until explicitly told to stop, it will just keep going. So for a lot of the early kind of solutions, you could probably get away with just one instruction to get from one part of the level to the other and reach the objective. And then the idea really is just kind of ramp up the difficulty very incrementally, and hopefully by the end of it people will have gotten a very basic understanding of what it's like to program, and hopefully have some fun at the same time.